how to log into your Ali Bank without remembering password. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply install the application on your phone. Then you can simply open the application. After doing that, here, first thing that you need to do is simply add in all of your required credentials on the login page. So in here, you can see a login option on the top right corner. Simply tap on that one. And then from here, all you need to do is simply add in your username, right? So simply add in your username. So in order to enter your password, let's just say you don't know your password, then you have to remember if you had saved it on your Google account, or you might have also saved it on your Apple ID. So if you do have, then you can simply tap on the passwords option that you will be able to see on your keyboard. Then from here, you can select which exact platform you have saved it to. So if you have saved it to your Apple ID, you'll be able to get that on passwords, or you can get it on your Google ID or even your Chrome ID. Simply select one of those options just like this. Then after doing that, here you'll be able to see all of your saved password. So if you simply tap on the search icon right here, you can simply search for Ali Bank just like this. And if you had saved your password, it will all be shown just like this, right? So from here, you don't need to remember your password. You can simply tap on that password and it will all be filled up automatically. So let's just say you have completely forgotten your password and you didn't even save in any of those platforms. Then what you can actually do is simply tap on the option forgot password right here. So simply tap on password right here, and all you need to do is add in your last name and your username, and then tap on continue and go along with the process of how you'll be able to recover your account password. And just like that, you'll be able to log into Ali Bank without remembering passwords.